Hello everyone. So we have provided a new feature on TranZact Tally integration that through by using our Tally integration extension, you can download your item master, your buyer supplier, also your item master from your sales and purchase voucher. So let me show you how you can do this. First of all, you need to download our Tally integration extension on Chrome browser. So what you need to do, you need to go on Chrome and you need to search for Chrome Store. So once you will search for Chrome Store, the very first result which you will be getting, that will be Chrome Web Store. Let me search again and show you. So I will type Chrome Store here. The very first result will come on Chrome Web Store. Please open this. Now, once it will open, in the search the store, you need to type TranZact. Once I type TranZact and hit enter, it will provide you our extension which you need to download. So click on this. Here you will get an option of add extension. So as I have already added this particular extension, so it is providing me an option to remove from Chrome. In your case, it will provide you an option to add extension. Once the extension will get added, it will come in your extension list. So here is your extensions. Click on this. Now this is the TranZact Tally integration extension. Please click on this. This is our portal by which Tally integration is being done. Always do remember that while working on this particular extension, Tally need to be opened in your background and logged in. Otherwise, it will provide you error. So starting with this, it will ask that are you using Tally Prime? If you are using Tally Prime, click on yes. Now it will ask that what is your company name in Tally. You need to type the company name same as Tally in there. So in my case, Smart by India Private Limited is my company name in Tally. So I have entered it and then click on continue. So also here in the logged in, if you are using it for the very first time, you need to click on this login, and here you need to type your TranZact username and password, email address and password, and then it will log in. So it just provided me name of Tally company, Smart by India Private Limited. Now here is the option of download master. So through this download master option, you can download the details from your Tally. Please check. We have provided option of downloading it, the item master from purchase voucher, item master from sales voucher. So once I will click on this, it will purchase voucher stock item master. It will ask me for a duration. So it's of 6 months, and it will just gather all the items which are used in your purchase voucher on Tally. So let's start with our stock item master. Click on this and click on download. Once you will click on download, so please check. It will take some time, a few seconds to download an Excel file. So if I will open this particular Excel file, all the items in my Tally is extracted here. Now I can, and it is into your uploadable format. Now I can go ahead and just upload this particular Excel file on Tally. Also, please check, it is providing you all the columns as per the uploadable format. Item name, product or service, it is coming, all the details are coming from your Tally. It will also provide you error that where fields are required. So you can go through it, and accordingly by making changes, you can upload it on TranZact. Now coming back to our Tally integration screen. So here we are back on our Tally integration. So as I mentioned that in download master, we do have another features as well. You can download the counterparty, you can download the sundry debtors counterparty, or you can download it as per purchase voucher. So let me show you this. Here it only 6 months data will be entered. You can select from date and to date, and then after you can click on download, and accordingly all the details will get downloaded. I hope this particular video will be very much helpful to you while using this feature and easily taking all the data from your Tally and uploading it over TranZact. Have a good day ahead.